Today, video security systems have become critical to homes, businesses, and public places around the world. To make sure it's operating correctly is a major priority. This requires routine system health checkups and maintenance. So here are some tips for maintaining a well-functioning video security system. Tip 1. Keep lenses and protective covers clean. It's always a good idea to keep your CCTV camera lenses and protective glass bubbles clean. Dirt can be a problem for your CCTV cameras, blocking its view and leaving it susceptible to further damage. At night, dirt on the lens and bubbles will reflect IR light, making night imaging blurred and hazy. Use these simple methods to clean your camera lenses and bubbles. Begin with canned air to remove any dry, loose particles or debris on the lens or the bubble. Then, gently clean it with a microfiber brush, making sure not to scratch or scuff it. If the dirt is more stubborn than expected, using a bit of lens cleaning solution instead. Tip 2. Check the system time. It is also important to keep the system's time settings accurate. Incorrect settings may cause troubles in finding and playing back recorded videos, matching the video to the actual occurrence time, or even overwriting valuable video on the hard drive. Here are some time sync methods. 1. Use a network time protocol or NTP server. Deploy an NTP server so as to synchronize the time at regular intervals. 2. Manual setting. Set the time manually as needed, or tick the sync with computer time to align with the system time. 3. Sync the camera time with an NVR or DVR. Configure the synchronized time task in your NVR or DVR. Tip 3. Change password regularly. Security systems hold a load of important data. Keeping that data safe is a major priority. If a password does not get changed regularly, or if a user keeps the default password, an unauthorized person may easily log into the system and gain access to your data. That's why we need to use strong passwords and change them regularly. If you forget your password, here are 4 reset methods for Hikvision devices, explained in our other video. 4 ways to set you free from password resetting. Tip 4. Hard drive detection. Our 4th tip is to point out that long-term read and write operation, unexpected power loss, or vibrations may cause hard disk failures. Such a failure can endanger your video data. To prevent that from happening, there are 2 steps that need to be taken: smart settings and bad sector detection. Smart information can help us get the healthy status of the hard drive. If the self-evaluation status is pass and the all-evaluation status is functional, then the hard disk is healthy. Otherwise, it's time to replace it with a new one. A bad sector in computing refers to a sector on a disk storage unit that is permanently damaged. When damaged, all data stored on that sector will be lost. If all the sectors show green after detection, it means that the hard disk is healthy. If red or yellow is shown, then a few storage sectors of the hard disk are damaged. In that case, it's best to replace the hard disk as soon as possible. Tip 5. Employ managed services. Our 5th and final tip is to mention that cloud-based managed service is a smart choice for maintaining system healthy for both service providers and end users. When authorized by end users, service providers can be notified when a system fails in a timely manner, and even check and resolve problem remotely with HyProConnect platform. And end users can rely on professional service providers to help keep their systems operating well by receiving system health monitoring services. It helps simplify the way customers comprehend and minimizes after-sale costs. There you have it, 5 ways to maintain a healthy security system. We hope this video has been helpful for you. See you next time!